So if you are seeing the sign up is currently unavailable error while creating the ChatGPT account, you need not to worry, because in this video tutorial, I will share with you 4 different and very simple methods to overcome this issue, and your account will be created in just a minute. And the 4th method that I will share with you works 110%. It is very possible that any of the method from the first 3 may work, but the 4th one works 100%. So just keep watching the entire video till the end. So the very first method to overcome this issue is switch between the normal and the incognito tabs. Means if you are creating your ChatGPT account in the normal tab, you have to just open the private tab of Safari or Google Chrome or any browser that you are using, and just try creating your account in that in private or incognito window. No matter you are doing it in Safari or Google Chrome or laptop or mobile, just open the incognito mode or private tab and then try creating the account. It will be created. So this was the method number 1. So what is the method number 2? If the method 1 doesn't work, you have to switch between the browsers. Means if you are trying to create a ChatGPT account on Safari, you have to switch to Google Chrome. And if you are creating it on Google Chrome, you have to switch to Safari. So this sign up problem will be vanished. And if this thing also doesn't work, then the method number 3 is try using a VPN service. You can download any of the VPNs from App Store or Play Store and then turn on that VPN and then try creating your account while that VPN is turned on. And now moving towards the method number 4, if any of these 3 methods doesn't work, the 4th thing is you have to switch between the devices. Means if you are trying to create your account on laptop or desktop, you have to switch to mobile. And if you are creating it on mobile, try creating your account on laptop. Or even if you are creating on mobile, you can switch to another mobile and use another mobile phone for creating your account, or another laptop or any other device that you have access to. And when the account gets created on that device, then you can log in it on your own phone or laptop or your device. So let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to watch out this video in the end screen, which is an extended version for the solution of this thing. See you in that video. Thank you so much.